Hi, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to download the invoice from Amazon off a previous order. So the first thing that you'll need to do is simply go to amazon.com in your preferred browser. Once you do so, you'll find yourself in their websites right away. Of course, if you're not logged in into an account, make sure to log in into an account first of all, because you wouldn't find any orders if you're not logged in. Now you can go as an example to the top right corner right here and simply just go and click on returns orders. Once you do so, here basically you will find all the orders that you have on your Amazon account. At the moment, or for me, I don't have any orders for the past 3 months. Of course, you'll be able to see orders on 2025, 2024, 2023, or even archived orders as well. So once you find the order that you want to download the invoice from, you'll find an invoice button. Once you click on that invoice button, of course, you'll have to click again on invoice. You'll find there two invoices. So just go and click on that invoice again, and it will open a new tab for you and you will find your invoice right there. So it's going to be an invoice like here. All you need to do is just go and hit the control P as example on your PC and you'll be able to download that invoice. And that should be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.